Now we will be doing something called as a pie chart. Given this data, we have created a segmentation chart like this. We have created a segmentation pie chart, segmentation pie chart into 3D pie chart, segmentation pie chart into a donut pie chart. Now, how to go for presenting the charts into three different segmentation? For that, I will be going here. I will be selecting the data through a pie chart, select this data, moving on to insert, going for the charts. I'll go for creating as a 2D pie chart, 3D pie chart, and donut chart. Now let's start with 2D pie chart. Soon after you created this 2D pie chart, what is happening out here, guys? You can see it's coming with the title. Select this title and delete this. You can see this is coming with the legends. You can select these legends and remove this. You can see in the chart there is a white color border is coming. Select this chart, go to format, choose no outlines. You can also select this chart, go to format chart area, and you can go for making this as a rounded corner. Soon after you make this rounded corner, you can go to the format chart, make this background as a black color, font is going to white. Now select this data series, add data labels. Post data labels, format data labels, where you can show the category name. Don't show by values, show it by percentage. So this is how your data comes. Selecting this chart, you can go to outline as yellow. Choose this outline should be going as 6 point. Does it make sense to all of you guys, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, moving to the next, insert, create a chart as 3D pie chart. What will you do in the 3D pie chart? In this 3D pie chart, I remove these legends. I remove this title. I go for selecting as a tablet look here. Soon I make this tablet look, right click, format data series. I create little explosion. I have created this. Now selecting this chart, format chart area, I make this as a rounded corner. Understood, guys? Soon after I created this, I go to background as a black color, choose this outline as going to be 6 point, format this data labels, put this category, name is there, put the percentage value. Since I choose in this, I can go to here, make this font as white color. I can read the data properly. When you say Dale is overlapping, you can select this to drag it to the left. So now this is something called 3D pie chart. Does it make sense to all of you guys, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The next is called selecting this data. I go for inserting a donut chart. Now let me take this donut chart to the right side of it. Right? Now, what will you do now? I want to select this, delete the legends, delete this title not required, format chart area, choose this border as rounded corner. Select this chart. I can go to outlines, no outlines, so that I will not see any white color border. Selecting this chart, I can go to format, make the background black color, font as white. Selecting this, I say add data labels, format data labels by percentage and the category name. Selecting this series, format data series, reduce the whole size. Selecting this, I'll choose the outline as yellow, going for the weight to 6 point. Does it make sense to all, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You got it now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. So this is how we go for, and if you want to create an explosion for my data series, create little explosion to this. This is how we go for creating three different charts. One is 2D pie chart, 3D pie chart, and the donut chart. Does it make sense to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes.